Hey everybody, Von Scheller family here doing a little birthday party for Corbin. It's his 8th birthday. So you can see all the kids in the back. They're jumping on the trampoline. We got a huge water slide for him, so it's a beautiful day here in September. We're doing his birthday a little early, the party today. His birthday's actually next week, but we got a race, so he's having fun with his friends. Check it out. Corbin just got done with his birthday party with all his friends. It's not technically your birthday yet. Next week, you're gonna be how old?
Oh, 8.
4? You almost say 4?
No, I said
8. So you had today
4.
was his party because we're gonna race next weekend. So did you have fun?
Mm-hmm.
What was your favorite part today?
I like the water slide. Okay, sometimes I like when there's like a little bit of water on it and we try to climb up it. And also, I like going down on the raft.
On the rafts?
Yeah. The one what was the funnest, but I went on I didn't go on the dolphin.
Just went on the round one?
Mm-hmm.
Just a lot of fun. Big old huge slide. Then next week we got races and party next week as well. Okay, happy birthday. See ya. Say bye.
Bye.